Good morning, guys. Good morning. Trading session today that is going to be a little bit of kind of special because Jeremy Powell is going to speak, Trump is going to speak, and as well probably everyone is going to speak tonight. So yeah, big day, interest rate later on the day. So a lot of news. So we have to just be careful. Tomato, let's make money. Let's trade with rules and process as a first, and hopefully we make money. Today is gonna be interesting day, guys. Good morning, Fayaz. Good morning, guys. So let's see the daily chart. You see, as yesterday market went above, did a huge week, and what the market did afterwards, came back and took the previous day low. So I'm kind of on I think right now until FMC probably is gonna be a choppy moment. I really like this area of support. So I'm gonna be biased on the fact of that we're handling, if we are above these 400 lows of yesterday and we keep this level, I believe we're not gonna go anywhere far until FMC and Trump, they were gonna speak today. So that's the idea I have right now. So on the hour chart, same thing, same idea. You see support, resistance, resistance becomes support. We bounced strongly. We made a little bit of a higher high here, but we are definitely have to be careful. I'm looking, if we come back at 440, 430, 420, I think for me it's still a long idea there. Until then, I think it's a choppy day. We just need to be careful as hell. Choppy days are bad. Let's continue here. Well, that's beautiful. It's already coming down quite fast. So if it wants to keep coming to these lows, when we did make these lows? Yesterday at the end of the day. Todd morning, Hamza. Todd morning. Good morning. I was like, Todd is like one of my boss at work. I was like, wow. I was like, wow, that's my boss is here. My boss is here. He's watching me. I don't want to get fired. Good morning, Fayyaz, Mohammed. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's have a beautiful trading day where we trade. We don't do bullshit stuff. We accept our results. 50 minutes range for me is the most important things on a day like this. If we're gonna, play the idea of range, being inside the 50 minutes range, that's a good chance. So we've taken yesterday lows here. I kind of long bias. So let's see on that. I planned to trade MNQ today. Guess what I'm trading? NQ. The idea of like, I'm gonna have good risk management, and then you see how MNQ contract moves and you're like, nah, I'm done with this shit. I have to check if every order is working correctly there. Yes, correctly working. We've taken this previous low on the pre-market, London session low, Asian low kind of too. Yeah, we've taken quite a few lows there. If we keep pushing here, I will start buying. And it's gotten interesting for buys. 500s are here above. Oh, that's looking interesting, guys. I'm addicted and sick. You have to be addicted of risk management. I provided today a video again about risk management to the editor. Probably it's going to be published next week. So just if you like about that idea of risk management, you're going to love this video. Guys, I'm liking these longs. Let's see, maybe already you can scalp a 500s here. I'm gonna already go there on the long if I get these 500s. I'm long already, guys. Will I be screwed? We'll see. Candle closing in 5 seconds there on the 500s. Looking for these things to keep pushing a little bit more. Good morning, Afonso. Wait, Afonso, were you here yesterday? I don't remember speaking with you yesterday. Or yes. And you left before. You left before. Good morning, man. Let's see if you can get this 509. Is the market able today to give me 10 points or I have to reduce it right away? No, I wasn't here yesterday. That's what I... See, I do remember. I do remember these things. Do remember stuff. Remember my people. That's unfortunately we didn't get right away our points there. 90s will be there too. I will take it. We've taken quite a few lows here. I will take again a scalp long on the 90s. Oh, done. Call it. This is FOMC choppy day. Call it, man. You're already up $415, man. You're already cruising there. You're long as well. I like this long idea. We've taken yesterday lows here. We've taken a London lows right now. We didn't take any highs. I'm going for long. You will get there. Keep pushing, my friend. By the way, do you have to get to 5,000 minimum to get payout? I do remember that. Well, maybe they changed it. Max payout, to get max payout. Don't think about that. If you can get to a payout, take some money out. That's what I said in the latest video, man. Take some money out. Recover some fees. Don't think about max payout, max payout, max payout. If I do this and do this and do this, I will get $10,000. If I do $500 a day, I make $5,000 in 10 days. You wish. Statistically, it's a bit hard. Yes, take money out. So you're up $400 on an FOMC day. Man, close the laptop. I don't care. Close the laptop. Go away. As much as I like people staying here, you know, having chat, I'm long. And now again. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed, guys. Probably this is gonna be a nice losing day for me. Let's see. Hopefully we can get at least one is FOMC at standard 2 p.m. Eastern. So I don't know. Your time is I don't remember. 2 p.m. Eastern. That is 7 p.m. yours, I think, in Portugal. Okay, guys, I'm not liking the fact that right now we're not right away bouncy, but I still like the long idea. Still like the long idea. Hopefully we can get some scalps out. Come on, give me this 99 again, this 500 retested. Piece of crap. Take me out. Oh, take me out. The new 5-minute candle just closed. At least it closed green. Not even the best, but hopefully we keep going a little bit higher. Okay, can you take us out this at 99.75? Come on, market, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, we're out at least on these free contracts we bought at 90s. That's coming to give us the 509, hopefully. Account blown. Sorry, Mohammed. Sorry, my friend. The video I have next week is going to help you a lot. I have a video already in my YouTube channel about risk management. Go and watch it, my friend. Go and watch it. It's really understanding on how to play with correct risk so that you don't blow up accounts anymore. 10 seconds silence. We salute you, funded account. Thank you for being here and providing us hope and possible revenue. See you at the next one. And mine as well. Tell hi to as well mine blown accounts. I will try again the 90s. If it comes back to the 90s. Okay, I'm long again at the 90s. Do we start again with a loss today? That would be sad, but I'm looking to flatten my position soon. Come on, market, bounce! Opening print level, that is not doing anything. Is it correct, the opening print level at least? Yes, it's correct. Come on, market. Oh, turn there, turn there. Turn. Gonna take this out again. Okay, get me again the 90s. If you don't want to get me the 90s, I don't care. Just give me these 509. My own. And I think, oh, I did not flatten my position. I almost did a mistake of clicking this one. Wow, that was very close. Burning in hell with the all hours account, my last one. I'm trying to bring these are my PAs here that I have to back to a position where they can do something more than blowing, hopefully. Come on, can you give us this 510? You've been there for too much. At least this candle is pushing. Okay. It's trying. 50 minutes range. Oh, nice. 50 minutes range out, guys. Right now is closing here. Up already $150 on the day, guys. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. The scalp is on the 90s. 1, 2, and 3 scalps are already there. Man, I'm already up nicely, more than yesterday. Let's hopefully we don't destroy it. Let's do the 50 minutes range a little bit darker color. Good job, guys. Buongiorno, Alex G. Man, Alex G sounds the influencer, the influencer, the Alex G influencer. We all know the Forex one that made $100 to $1 million in his dreams. We're pushing into this 520. That's beautiful. Very happy right now. I'm already nicely up on the day. And that's you. I mean, you're learning from the best if you're here. Good job, everyone that was long. We had the right idea. We had the right read. Yesterday low was already taken. No, sorry. We have taken the day before lows. We have pushed. We took as well even London Asian lows here, and right now we have like beautiful 50 minutes range. We pushed on this pre-market high. So now it's gonna be interesting to see if this is gonna be a reversal to come back again to the low side, because we are still in OFMC day. So if you already took the profit on that pre-market high, guys, you're winning. You're done on the day. You're done on the day. On a FOMC day like this, and you're already up on the day, you are, give yourself kudos. Go stand up, go in front of a mirror and say, whatever is your name, you've done a good job. Speaking like as a third person, you know. Hamza, you've done a good job today. You have read the market, you have executed as you should, you were ready as well to call yourself out if it was gonna go against you. You've taken the trades, you're done. Good job. Enjoy the rest of the day. You deserve it. Semi, okay, that's beautiful. Follow your strategy, guys. 550, let's freaking get it. Let's freaking get it. Good morning, Abdel again. Second time. Whatever your name, you did a good job. Yeah. Yeah, now it sounds weird when I say that. Yeah. I mean, oh, yeah, okay. Look at that candle there. Yeah, I'm very careful right now. I'm very happy. I'm already up $150 freaking on a 50K account. I will say I've done amazing. I'm gonna look at the market. If a trade appears and I can risk this, I can risk a little bit, you know, because if I see a range forming here and it's just ranging around, we can scalp the range idea. Good morning, Redwan. Abdel, when are you going to vacation? Soon, huh? Redwan, we might meet each other in Tenerife. I still have to book my flight. Now that you made me think about it, I'm gonna book it tonight. It's gonna be freaking expensive. Tenerife, not Fuerteventura. Did I say Fuerteventura? No. Oh, with Ryanair now you can put. I think before it was possible, you can put all destination in one shot. Oh, now so I can see, for example, if I fly on Sunday, I can fly to Verona for 65 euro, to Pisa for 66 euro, to Bristol 90 euro, Palma 97 euro. I can fly to Malaga 105 euro on the low side, Malaga. Ibiza, go back to Ibiza for 120. That's quite interesting. You've done amazing. Man, Valencia is freaking beautiful. I'm gonna do a vlog on Friday. I'm just finding how to plan it. Morning, I wake up at, you know, standard 8 a.m. I think probably is gonna be a nice, you know, fake running influencer. I'm gonna show you that I run every morning at 8 a.m. No, not 8 a.m. is late. It's 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I start running. I do a night bath at 6:30 a.m. At 7, I already closed the business deal. At 8, I saved 20 children here in Valencia. At 9, I go back. I start working. That is gonna be my vlog on Friday. I'm gonna be like the black guy, famous, that he put his head in the water, puts bananas on his face. We made $10,000. Let's push to 20. That's what he said in his video. Hello, Andy. What's up? What's up, Andy? You're doing well. We're doing well, good, man. I'm happy with my free scalps I've done this morning. I'm already up $150. And I'm taking it easy right now. I'm looking at the market to see if there is something else that makes easy for me, easy and makes sense to scalp. Right now we are inside the 50 minutes range. This is the blue area of 50 minutes range right now. So we are back inside where choppiness can be king. FOMC, let me put down here. Where do I have drawings? Drawing tools. FOMC. Oh. I'm trying to put a tester, if it works. No, the heck? Ah. FOMC at 2 p.m. and Trump, I believe, is speaking at 3 p.m. Yeah, something like that. So just be careful. I'm gonna put it there. Can you see it? Yes, I believe you can see it. Yeah. Thank you, Mufti. Appreciate you, man. Free scalps, happily done. Good reading. I was gonna call myself out below this 475, 480, 475. I was not gonna add long on the 480 because we would be below opening print level. But this is beautiful. Chilling, talk with me, talk with us, man. You're always welcome again here, Andy. Whenever you want to talk about trading in Discord, tag me and we chat. Oh my God, I love trading. How much we love trading, guys. Did you trade this morning, Andy, on Mufti? Did you take any scalps? And hopefully, guys, Tomato, did you call yourself out? Because Tomato, I'm starting to check on you from now on more. You want me? I can check on you every freaking day. Every day I do the live, I check on you. Did you lock yourself out? So sometimes people think this is like insulting in a way that I will treat someone as a baby. But no, we are traders. We're traders. We know, we understand that we have to help each other. Even if it sounds stupid, people outside will think, what the heck are you telling him? This is stupidity. If he's a grown man, he's gonna do that. No, we know the emotions of doing in trading that you say something, a minute after your brain look at the chart and says, "Oof, are you gonna miss that trade, man? That candle is beautiful. You made 400. One more trade." The brain, because is used to do this is gonna do it again until you hit him with a no, and hit him again with a no, and hit him again with a no. And after 5, 6, 10 days, 20 days, 40 days doing the same things of telling him no, your brain is not gonna bother you anymore with these things, and it's gonna be the one supporting you with the discipline and mentality of doing that. If you do that, your brain is gonna be like, we are done. $300, beautiful, you're done, you did a good job, move on. There is no need to take another trade. So bad news too. What did you do, my friend? What did you do? No, I did not trade London, only now and New York. Sounds good. Good luck with your trade if you're gonna take some. FOMC today at 2 p.m. and Trump is speaking at 3 p.m. I believe it's 3 p.m. I'm gonna check again. 3 p.m. Yes. No, sorry, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Eastern. Sorry. So when market closes, so you should not be bothered by Trump speaking, but yeah, it's just that as well. So just be careful, guys. Focus. Honestly, now that we've taken these highs, there's a good chance we come back to the lows, right? We're taking a high, it's not breaking and holding and continue higher. That means it's weak enough to come back. Yeah, then we might be more on the intention of looking short. You're already done. Good job, man. Whatever you've done, I don't care about your PNL. If you're happy with your execution process and way you have follow your rules and whatever rules you have, good job, my friend. That's enough. That's very good job, and I'm proud of you. I'm proud of each one of you guys. That always remember, we're here for the long run. We're here for the freaking long run. Let me show something to you. This one I speak about this in my video of risk management again today. I'm gonna try to share it if I can. Nope. I'm trying to find it. What the heck is this? No, not even this one. This one is okay. So, what do you see here, guys? What do you see here? We have a winning percentage rate. This is out of 100 trades, by the way. This is 100 trades. Out of 100 trades, you have a winning percent rate. Let's say, for example, you have a beautiful 60% win rate. That's usually what people have. You have a beautiful 60% win rate, and you take the next 100 trades. Okay, you have backtested your strategy, you went to the past, and you see 60% win rate. So we want to predict the future, right? We want to see what we have to do to make sense that our account does not blow up with this data we have in the future, right? So we have a 60% win rate, and for the next 100 trades, look at the statistic here. We have 100% chance we're gonna take 2 consecutive trades. We have 100% chance we're gonna take 3 trades consecutive losing trades. We're gonna have a very high percentage up to 6, even 50%, up to 7. So there's a very good chance that you're gonna have 7 consecutive losing trades or out of 100 trades you're gonna have in the futures with a 60% win rate. Imagine this. And imagine that this when you think about this, not 100 trades, imagine 1,000 trades. You're gonna have a good statistic. You're gonna have even 8, 9 consecutive rate trades is gonna happen. So when you see this, is when you understand losing trades are normal, and losing days are normal. No matter how much is your freaking win rate, how high it is, 70 or 80%, you're gonna get losing days as losing trades. So 100%, 95%, 98% bullshit. None of this exists. Or if you have it, you have a massive risk reward against it. I mean, anything can work, but we are usually people average here or average even 40%. There are people that have very good risk reward and have 40% win rate. So you with a 40% win rate, we're speaking about 10 consecutive trades. It's very quite sure that it's going to happen. So when you start to play this statistic game is when you understand that, okay, I have to have a correct risk on my trades that I can survive a certain number of losing consecutive trades. Is it 10? Is it 15? Is it 20? Okay, it's 20 trades. I want my account to survive 20 consecutive rate trades. Is 20 consecutive rate trades going to happen one day? No, it can happen 4 freaking consecutive days. Because if you take 4 trades a day, that's 5 consecutive days where you're losing each day. So, but your strategy on the long run is a winning one. So that's the point. Is every time when I tell you accept your freaking day, it's normal to have losing days. Accept it. Move on. It's statistic. Everything is statistic in this freaking game. Everything is numbers here. Everything is statistic. So accept it, move on, and just have the correct risk for each trade. If you're risking, if you think about you want to have 20 consecutive rate trades, accept it, 20, and you have $2,000 of drawdown. That's $100 on each trade. That's amazing. From now on, you're gonna risk $100 for each trade, make 200, make 300, whatever is your risk reward, and keep going like that. You're not gonna blow up accounts anymore in your life. Anymore. You're gonna blow up some because like my strategy before, it sucked. But you're not gonna blow up anymore. Your commission fees you're paying to prop firms is gonna go down. You're gonna buy one activation, one PA every 3 months. When I was speaking about this, my views of the YouTube channel of the live went down. That's what makes you understand that people that really care about becoming better at trading are just a few. That's why many people are still losing. Well, if you teach them these things, they just go away. They know they're risking a lot. They don't want to face themselves in the mirror and say, I'm just over leveraging. People really escape the reality. If you're here watching that and you watch that video and you watch this and you're gonna watch the new videos one next week, it's gonna be like your change. 90% win rate. Then I wish. DCA every day until you come back in profit on the day, and you should manage to make some green days over. I don't think you're gonna get paid, but you're gonna have a win rate, a good win rate at least. Yeah, and just we have to think about the long run no matter what, right? We're not here to become rich today. We're not here to become rich tomorrow, but we are here to become rich overall, over time, over and over again, right? Make money, pay out, make money, pay out. We're not here for one payout. We're here to request hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. La bas, salam alaikum Sam. Hope you're doing well. It's a business. It's a business. It's a freaking business. Guys, I'm looking at this, and this looks beautiful short there. 480 here short. Interesting. Very interesting. It's a bit hard for me to take a next trade mentally right now because I'm thinking about FOMC and by the way, the 10 a.m. news just passed and we didn't even notice it. So it's a bit hard for me to take an next trade because we have FOMC, we have Trump. You can see it from here on the top. I should use this one, these things every day. I should make it every day here. I make it like the news things, news agenda, right? It looks and down here put it like news agenda, news calendar, today, news today. Make it I will say red. Is it today news or news today? Today news, right? Today news. My English is bad, guys. With today, what should you? I have to ask ChatGPT. Do you write today news or news today? News today. Okay, news today. Man, I have to just ask ChatGPT for a simple sentence. What the heck? Oh, it's coming back. Oh, nice, very nice. I'm looking for this, guys. I'm looking. This is very choppy right now. Today's news, right? Let's see. You see, I was thinking about that. Freaking today's news made sense. Today, thank you. Yeah, choppy Siddhar. Thank you very much for the compliment. Appreciate you, man. It's a good day, to be honest. Being up, man. I'm working so hard for this account. 48, 400 to don't blow them up. And honestly, I'm very happy because now they are from $300 of drawdown or 400. Now they are at $700 of drawdown. So we already doubled the drawdown we had. Prego, grazie mille. We already doubled the drawdown we have on these accounts. So I'm very happy. This account as well, now it's $900 of drawdown. Let me show you the auto liquidation threshold so you can see it as well. Not hiding anything. So you can see the liquidation threshold there. These accounts are in a very good state right now. This is almost $4,000 of drawdown, $4,000 of drawdown, almost 4,005. No, this is $5,000 drawdown. This is the one I'm doubling sites. I'm gonna double sites on 15 and 49 as well. Okay, let me go to the copier. Account 50 and 49. Account 50. Where is it? 50, 49. Double sites from now on. Ah, shit, I have to stop it first. Count 50 and 49. So in this way, we can bring them a little bit faster because these accounts to get to payout, they freaking need to do quite a lot of fraud. Okay, guys, this market is choppy as hell. This market is choppy as hell. This market is choppy as hell. Well, that's not what I want to show you. This is what I wanted to show you. Also because I have my cream here in my mouth and it's weird, but yeah, because I freaking got a little bit sick. 400. It's looking again interesting for maybe a little bit of a scalps. But the market is not interesting right now. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. Look at, oh my god, oh yeah, this market is playing with you guys. This market is playing with you. What the heck? This market is playing with you. What the heck? So every time I move these things, that's why. I should just make it everything in one place. Okay, let me delete this. We're coming back again lower. Who's still trading right now? Who's in a position? Who's in a position? Tomato, if you are there, stop doing shit. I care about you, man. Omar, what are you in a position? Let me check this Discord. You are doing great, I believe. $560. Okay, call it. Call it. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. $123 loss in a. It's great. It's great. Man, you now look at me right now. You freaking lock yourself out. You close it and you go away. This is not for me. This is to respect yourself. This is not for me, man. As much as really I care a lot about you succeeding, who really care about you succeeding is yourself. And you are sabotaging, whatever is called that word, yourself. Okay, right now, let me think about Tomato of a year from now. Okay, now I'm speaking with Tomato for 1 year from now. Tomato, how are you? How is it going? Oh, you managed to succeed. You're a trader. So what did you do, Tomato, to finally be a trader you wanted to be? Tomato, I'm simple. I follow my rules. I take my trades I have to take. Some days I'm red, some days are green. But overall, when I follow my rules, I keep going and I make money overall at the end of the month. Oh man, great job, keep going. So now let's think about this Tomato I'm speaking with and the Tomato I'm speaking with right now. See the differences and see what you have to take from this Tomato and apply them to yourself right now. So if you're still doing these mistakes of trading, when you're freaking graying on the day on a FOMC day, you keep trading, and even making going back to red instead of like accepting even a little bit of loss. See the difference. Which one you want to be? You want to be the Tomatoes following the rules, the one who's making the money, right? Many times we think we're so far from being from the life we want to have, but sometimes we're so close and it's just ourselves sabotaging our life. Take this Tomato, this Tomato of 1 year from now. Is following the rules, is accepting the loss, is accepting whatever rules he has. Take these things, apply them to yourself now. Apply them to yourself now. Apply them to yourself tomorrow. Apply them to yourself the next day. Like I always told you, make it a month. Get to the end of the month, start 1 month, follow your rules. In 1 month, you will look at the data in your hand and you will be like, I followed my rules, everything I've done, nothing is related to execution. I'm green or red. I'm red, perfect. That's my strategy. I know what is it. I'm red, even more perfect. Everything I'm doing is correct. Let's do another month, right? Hey, Paul, welcome back, man, again. Don't like this price action, already did good initial long. Have a good one, everyone. Afonso, good job. Move away. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is going to be a much better day. it's really honestly, it's insane how I think it's insane how I got to this mentality, because the people that have been here in my live stream know how much bullshit I've done, how much times I overtraded. In some part, the live stream helps because you're making me accountable for for what you see. So if I overtrade, you see it right away. But many people know how I was trading before. Jose, speak with Jose, guys. I was blowing accounts. Go to my live session of my YouTube channels and go to the first videos, guys. I was trading evaluations and doing shits over and over. It's how many times? But thanks God, thanks to Jose, thanks as well to the other guys that joined my live stream at the beginning, and now I start to keep in mind, okay, I don't have to make money, I just need to keep doing what I have to do. Boom, boom, boom. Our coach Hamza, one day I will sell you a freaking course. I'm gonna make so much money. Oof, I'm gonna make so much money. Jose, 100% what you said is correct. You cannot be a trader if you don't go through this shit. You cannot be a trader if you cannot go through this shit. My brother is the same. I told you many times. My brother was teaching him last year. No, I was not teaching him. Last year I was live streaming or whatever. My brother comes to my room and he says, what did you do with your training today? I told him, man, no, I overtraded. I did not follow my rules. Then he went to take profit. And he was like, every time he was like, you're stupid, follow your rules. That's the only things you do. When I will start trading, I will do it and you will see it. That's it. And I told him every time, please don't comment until you start trading. I told him, please don't comment until you start trading. I share with you, but don't comment until you start trading. I start trading and he starts blowing up accounts on payout. He had a payout. The only things he had to do is flip a day. And he told me that he wanted to have a round number. He kept trading and lost all the money and the account is blown. And he texted me. He was like, man, I don't know what happened to me. It was not myself. He was like, it was not myself. I could not think. I could not do anything. I was keep clicking buttons. Guys, I remember days where I blew up. I still remember one day so well, because I was there in front of the computer and I was clicking buttons and everything becomes slightly fog. I cannot see properly because I'm already on an emotional state where I'm ready to blow up everything. I know I'm doing bullshit. I see a little bit of fog and the market is chopping like a daylight today. And what is happening that I'm buying here, selling here and getting stopped out over and again. And I still remember the day, clicking buttons, blowing up the accounts. But you have to go through this. And I agree 100%. You have to go through this shit. You have to go through this shit. As much as many people come and say they want to be profitable in 4 months, a bit hard. Maybe you can. Maybe you can make money in the first 4 months. Maybe. But then you will have to go different type of market. You know, look at how many markets version we went in the last 3-4 years. Insane. The COVID time, the rally where everything you were buying was green. So imagine all the people that were start trading on that period with that mentality of buying only and whatever goes is gonna go up. Then the Trump situation right now, the tariff news, man, so much crap. $500s there getting rejected. Let me move this news here on the left. Let me put it here. What the heck? Cannot put it. Should I put it maybe here on the left side? Look at this one. Look at the choppy. Since 8.5 was here, almost. So from 8 a.m. here, only choppiness in ES. NQ, choppy. NQ, choppy here. So if you're green on the day or little red or whatever you've done, and you have reached your limit, I mean, acceptance is the next stop right now. Yo, Moro, how many trades you've taken there? Sell. Is it MNQ? NQ. Okay, you scalp NQ, you piece of crap, man. 8 points. You're scalping it, huh? Wow. I see the picture of in Discord of Omar and his trades. He scalps NQ this guy with how many freaking contracts? Is that an evaluation? Because you're trading so many contracts. Sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god. No, entry. No, no, sorry. Entry, stop. Stop. Oh yeah, wow. Done. My new strategy I came up with is awesome. And I'm very happy with it. We're pushing right now. You can tell us a little bit short pushing. You don't have to share it, all of it. You can tell us what's the idea, like scalping, swing. Yeah, I mean, the chart of Omar is literally insane. Scalping. What do you scalp? Like the opening, the 50 minutes range. We're pushing right now. Look at that. Mufti, did you do something? I used the TD Land EMA. TD Land EMA. Okay, I don't know which one is that one. Five points on Q100 here. Okay, you scalped five points with one contract. Yeah. TDI and EMA. Okay. Man, I'm cooked today. I read stuff that are easy as TDI and EMA. What is TDI? Break-even Mufti. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good for me. I like that. Giving off MCD. By the way, we have as well. Look at this account, the new account here on the top. 50,400. And I will tell you why I converted that evaluation. I was like, if I have to fight to bring this back these accounts, and if it happens that I bring back these accounts from death to alive, let me please enjoy at least. If I do it at the same time, one account that starts at 50,000 gets to pay out. So at the same time, I can say, if I give back the account at 50,000, one is already almost to pay out. And have a great day, Rushinko. Thank you for coming as always, man. Omar a spaghetti chart. Nicely pushed there outside the 50 minutes range. Are we gonna start pushing, or this is a fake push? This is beautiful. How much is that? It's 10:24 Eastern time. A scalp at 510 on the 50 minutes range retest. Will be so interesting, right? Money. I'm kind of very happy with the day with my day. $150 on a day. Are we gonna fake out this 50 minutes range again? Wait, that's why I see Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. I misunderstand this. 500 return retest can be right now, 15 minutes range, but it's just choppy day. I'm kind of worried. If I go long here on a retest of the 50 minutes range, in a normal day, I will take this because I will call myself very quick out. If this 50 minutes range doesn't hold, like below 500, I will call myself out. If this was not a FOMC day. I like the long idea. We pushed yesterday low, like I said. We took already the low of pre-market. So I would say that can be interesting for me, but on a FOMC day, it's a bit different. New message, so in Discord is what this breakout strategy with the Helsinki candle, and I never understood this kind of candles. Is it still candles on price or they are on ticks? I haven't understood that. The 510 is holding for the moment. For the moment. An audience me. Let's see. This 510 is holding. I'm kind of interested right now to maybe try a scalp it and have a tight stop loss. Maybe it's a bit too late now. Yeah, now it's a bit too late. It feels like weird for me to get this 510. Oh, how is ES? ES just took the highs. Let me zoom out on the ES. ES just took the highs. Yeah, ES sucks. ES sucks. I'm scared that this is just a takeout and coming back lower. We didn't take anything low on ES, London pre-market. So that's why this long does not convince me right now. You have no idea. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, I'm not interested to risk it today anymore. Wow, that's beautiful there. Very nicely pushy there. Very nicely pushy. 510 came out to work out in the end. 510 worked out. And now we took the highs. So if you're long, you did the right choice. Guys, I think how was your day today, bro? Any trades? Yes, I scalped here, my friend. I scalped here long again, out, long again, out with this long here. So I've taken, let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. I've taken long here, long at 90s out, long at 90s out. And this one closed in positive as well. So 3 scalps. And then not trading much because I don't like it. What are we gonna do, guys? Here we're just waiting and taking the trades. Why my WhatsApp is so slow? I think I'm gonna call it like that. From C. It's going to 550. It can be. I just don't like it anymore, to be honest. In my side, we're outside the 50 minutes range, so still more bullish than else. But if he comes back lower, then it's shorts came. But right now, I don't want to risk anything. I'm gonna call it like that. Up on the day. We're up nicely. We're recovering the accounts, and we keep going like this until the accounts will come back and we get to pay out again, guys. Have a beautiful day. As always, I share everything live. Thank you so much, guys. I'm out as well, Omar, with you. I think it's gonna be 600 later on the day. Good chance. We have a lot of news today. As you can see here, we have FOMC at 2 p.m. and Trump at 4 p.m. So careful, guys, on that. See you tomorrow. Great scalping. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful time, guys. Love you, each one of you. Thank you again.